Hello, right, quick video. I am messing around with the old retro PC. I say messing around, what I mean is I'm looking to see what I need to buy to make it work. Got the main bits and pieces, power supplies, cards, that sort of thing, but the little things that you don't really notice. Capacitors. New camera, by the way, messing around a bit. It records in 4K, which is quite cool. So, the 3 capacitors just by the processor. So you've got 1, then a coil, and then 2 on the top right of the processor. They're gonna vent. They're busting a little bit. So I've gone on eBay, got some replacements. It's about £4 to replace them from a UK seller. I could have gone to AliExpress, got them cheaper, but it adds weeks to the project. But yeah, that's all I need to do. I thought I had some, but no, not in that box of anything, or in the other box of stuff I've got as well. But hey ho. But yeah, there's the AMD Athlon 1GB Thunderbird socket 462. I'm going to be using the build. There's some RAM 512, but I've got 2GB in a box. I've actually put it all in a box now to make it tidy. AGP graphics card, coin cell battery, need to change that. And PCI slots for a sound card. I've got a Sound Blaster Live somewhere, which I bought originally in 1998, I think. A long time ago. But yeah, work is ongoing, just a little slower than I'd like. Anyway, cheers.